Log in as admin in ICTFax web portal. Select the main menu Administration. Select the submenu User Management under Main Menu and click on it. User Tenant List page opens. Click on Add User button from top left side. After that, admin will enter the required information in desired fields. User information, enter the username and default caller ID for user. Password, enter the strong password and confirm the password again. Name, enter the first name and last name of user address. Enter the phone number, login email, address of user and choose country and time zone. Select the active box as yes and enter the company name. Also select the role for tenant/company and select the user. Assign the daily and monthly fax limit to user from his tenant quota. Assign the permission to user such as send fax, receive fax, and fax to email and email to fax according to your needs. Click on the Submit button to create the user.